Restoring faith. Understanding the power of positive change. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very inspiring and uplifting phrase, restore one's faith. This expression is not just about religion or spirituality. It's a powerful way to talk about regaining trust and hope in something or someone. So, if you're ready to explore how this phrase can add a meaningful layer to your English conversations, stay tuned. To restore one's faith means to bring back belief, trust, or confidence in someone or something that was previously lost or diminished. This phrase is often used in contexts where something positive happens that counteracts previous negative experiences or perceptions. It's about experiencing or witnessing something so good or pure that any doubts or cynicism you had before begin to melt away. For example, if you read a news story about a stranger performing a random act of kindness, it might restore your faith in humanity, making you believe once again that people can be inherently good. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. 1. After witnessing kindness, seeing that teenager help the elderly man cross the street restored my faith in the younger generation. 2. In professional contexts, after several failed projects, the success of this one restored my faith in our team's abilities. 3. Regarding personal beliefs, I was starting to doubt the existence of true love, but my friend's wedding restored my faith. These examples show that restoring faith can apply to various aspects of life, from small personal interactions to broader societal beliefs. Understanding and using the phrase, restore one's faith, is important because it captures a deep and complex human experience in a simple way. It speaks to our innate desire for hope and positivity, even in the face of disappointment or skepticism. By incorporating this phrase into your English vocabulary, you not only enrich your language skills but also your ability to express empathy and optimism. Moreover, discussing moments that restore our faith can be a powerful way to connect with others, sharing stories that uplift and inspire. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and significance of restore one's faith. We hope this video has not only enriched your English vocabulary but also inspired you to look for and appreciate those moments of kindness and goodness in the world. Remember, it's often the small acts that make a big difference. Until next time, keep finding reasons to have faith in the goodness around you.